Hey everyone, welcome back to the Building Your Modern Data Stack series. In this first episode, we'll set up dbt core by dbt labs on our computers. But first, an overview of data transformation and why we've chosen dbt to complement Fivetran's data extract and load to create an end-to-end ELT flow. Data transformation is the process of revising, computing, separating, and combining raw data into analysis-ready data models. While raw data is essential, transformed data is powerful. But this process of transforming data was traditionally manual and pretty time-intensive. So, recognizing the need for innovation, dbt Labs entered the space and became a leader in modern data transformation. dbt offers several ways to utilize their technology. They have dbt Core, their open source technology that arranges SQL-based transformations into modular sequential scripts that are easy to maintain and debug, written in the command line. Fivetran integrates with dbt Core to provide you managed end-to-end ELT all from one platform. In this episode, we will walk you through the process of setting up dbt Core. But if your team is less familiar with the command line, dbt also offers dbt Cloud, the hosted service for deploying dbt with a web-based interface for modeling, scheduling, and lineage. No matter how you choose to use dbt, Fivetran is here to help. I'd now like to welcome my coworker, Jack, who's going to walk us through the setup process for dbt Core. Welcome, Jack.
Hi, my name is Jack Lowry, Solution Architect here at Fivetran. Let's get started building our modern data stack. First, let's download Python version 3 and Visual Studio Code as our text editor. Both are available for free on the internet. And once we've done this, we can open up Terminal to verify that the Python version 3 was successfully downloaded. If we type in Python 3 -- version, you should be able to see which version of Python you're using. In my case, 3.9.13. And once I've done this, I can now download dbt. By typing in the command pip3 install dbt- and the adapter name of my choice, I will download dbt core and that adapter. Visit dbt's documentation to find out which adapters are supported. Now that I've downloaded this, let's just verify that things are looking good. By typing in dbt -- version, I'm able to tell that my version of dbt core is up to date, as well as my Snowflake adapter. Awesome, let's start developing. First, I would like to make a directory to house all of my dbt projects. By typing in mkdir dbt projects, I now have a parent folder that I can develop in. Let's change directories into this new folder. Once I'm in here, let's build our first dbt project. By typing in the command dbt init and the project name of my choice, I will begin to go through a series of prompts to connect to my destination. Please follow these steps and we'll meet back in 1 second. All right, now that I'm back in my parent directory, let's list out and see what happened. As you can tell, my dbt Snowflake development project is now listed in my parent directory. Let's change directories into this project and make sure that we can connect to our destination. Now that I'm in here, if I type in the command dbt debug, I should be able to see if my connection tests are passing. All checks have passed. That means I can start developing right now.